Bueno, guys, por lo que podemos observar ayer, we got fucked.
I think we're kind of due for a high time and retrace. I can't hold you.
Pero it's good, to be honest.
4 hours. I mean,
Let's see.
yeah, we could look for. I would be looking for maybe a high time frame retrace. Hopefully, find an entry before we reach these highs, because this would, in my opinion, be like first TP. Because price could come up, sweep these highs, and then
Asia highs, London highs.
But price also has the opportunity to break these highs, retrace, and go higher for like a maybe like a deeper 4-hour retrace. So then whatever we said, like the only problem is like these highs are just really really high up. So
bueno, ahora mismo, ok. El de 4 horas.
Yeah, I wouldn't.
We're
to be honest,
bearish.
I would forget about these the session highs. These are, in my opinion,
Estamos bastante alcista.
going to be the targets for the day. Like these London and Asia highs, I would be looking more towards like the equilibrium of the range.
Lo hicimos equal lows aquí.
I'm ready. I want to take this off though.
Why? Aura is crazy.
Parece que aquí NQ quiere grab these lows. En verdad, I'm bearish for the day.
Sheesh.
Pero yo diría que el de 4 horas hiciera por lo menos algún tipo de retrace.
Bro, it's a cold drill.
O maybe target el retrace. O si no, pues target. Bueno, qué coño. Next draws están acá abajo.
That was the best one that we've done so far.
How do you guys do?
Really, whenever there's like big music things going on in town, so that we can like get an artist to do shit. But to be honest, like what we've learned in the past is we need to do them like we need to start doing them not during like prime times of music, because during primetime music, like there's these things called like radius clauses, where if one of the artists is playing like a big show, they can't play another show within the same 24 hours or within the same 48 hours unless it's like approved. So or they can't have their name on like the flyer. They can play like a private party, but they can't put their name and like promote it. So when we've done the shows for Art Basel, we haven't been able to announce like the artists that are coming to play, which kind of defeats the purpose. Like today or yesterday, a lot of people showed up for Rorgan to play, and that was like awesome for us to be able to put him on the flyer. But most of the time, we haven't been able to do shit like that. So we're gonna want to. Thanks, bro. We're gonna want to start doing shows that are outside of like typical big music week type weeks, so that we can actually put the artist on the flyer and do shit properly.
Equal lows.
Feeling the music like in my body. Just standing right next to the speaker at one point. Bro,
Right.
I fell in front of everyone on accident, bro. I was dancing too hard. I was
You were a fucking mess, bro. You were sloppy as shit.
No, but I'm talking about like at the beginning of the game before I was a mess. Like I lost crazy aura in front of the hoods, but they didn't give a fuck.
Hard. Probably because they were cooked. They were definitely cooked up. Something. The green room. Too funny.
También, uno de mis TPs también podría hacer que el precio grab this highs to then go lower. O también we could grab this highs, retrace to then go higher.
Like I was like at one point I got overstimulated. I was like, I just need to sit the fuck down. There's too many people talking to me. There's like too much music.
Yeah.
Like there's too much light. So I went inside like by the bar area, and on that couch. I just laid down. I'm just chilling with Kyle out of nowhere. Get the fuck up! And I look up and it's just Gigi like this, bro. I was like tripping out right there. And she was just like, like just like, she was funny as fuck. She was really funny.
You seen what Clab did? What did Clab do? Why did he get arrested?
No way.
Yeah, his stream marathon's over.
Oh fucking way.
Sucks, bro. Free Clav till it's backwards. What did he do? Shot an alligator.
No way.
He shot a crocodile that was dead. What's wrong with that? He shot a dead gator. What's wrong? Wait, you're not allowed to do that? Assault charges and got banned for mag. Oh, okay, so he got charged with assault and then also mag dumped on a dead gator. He's gonna get 5 years in prison? Hell no, that's not. No, bro. That's not gonna happen. Oh, it's because it was in the Everglades? It's illegal in the part of Florida he was in? Fuck. Dumped a clip into a gator? That's pretty. I'm not gonna lie, that's pretty crazy, but honestly, free that boy till it's backwards. Free the boy till it's backwards.
Está un poquito complicado.
That's like those memes where
Noticia a las 10.
it's like homie
No,
got
pero es
charged with like
amarilla.
15 counts of murder, and it's like free the boy till it's it's like free my homie.
Oh, sweet. This could be starting.
5 years? Is that actually? He had outstanding warrant for assault in Fort Lauderdale? Bro, what?
Estoy el equilibrio de 4 horas.
That's actually insane. That's sad. He knows Aiden Ross also.
Yeah, Aiden's gonna free like get him out. It's a national park. Oh shit. Yeah, that'll do it. A national park will do the trick for sure. I think if you even bring a gun into a national park, they might like. He got 3 years. There's no fucking way.
So was he like, was the alligator like trying to attack him or something, or?
Mm.
That shit's really dead. He just like spaz on him.
The alligator was dead. Wait, so he saw the dead alligator and just pulled out his gun and just blicked the shit over and over? The gator was sleeping? How do you guys know if it was sleeping or dead, bruh? It was laying there. What, you guys took its heartbeat?
We're so close to this draw. Do you think it's possible for market to manipulate these highs to then go lower?
Bro, measure that bitch out. I don't think we're that close. 600 ticks?
Yes, barely took out.
Watch it on YouTube. There's clips. Let me look at that shit on my phone.
Actually, say, fuck, bro, no sé. Porque esto es un poquito complicado. To be honest.
worse for Mr. Clav. Here is a look at the arrest warrant. And in the state of Florida, clavicular is listed at 5'11".
No!
This is an absolute disaster.
Fuck me.
He has lawyer money. He'll figure out misdemeanor assault charge. 5'11". We gotta get on that.
He's
The arrest is
5'11"?
likely related to a physical fight between Clav's girlfriend and influencer Jenny Popach. You may remember this video. TMZ posted it back in February. This was Clav's girlfriend, Violet. Violet also had an arrest warrant out for her. I don't know if
Oh
she's
shit, so he had a warrant for his arrest in Fort Lauderdale? That's crazy.
Popach. She's an influencer. I assume she's the one who reported this to the police. In Clav's world, Violet was regarded as the number one Stacy after winning her fight against Jenny Popach and taking Clav back. Now, Clav's role in this, I haven't seen all the videos, but it seems as if he may have grabbed somebody during it, but he didn't throw any punches. I don't know how that works. We'll see. Don't want to comment too much on assault charges without knowing the full details. Misdemeanor doesn't sound too bad. His 30-day live stream has been cut short because of this. Ironically enough, he told me that he was going to press charges on someone who threw a cheese stick at him because he's allergic to cheese and he'll die from if he ate cheese. And ironically enough, a week later, he was charged. Not with the same thing. He wanted to charge somebody with attempted murder, but he was charged with a misdemeanor. We'll keep an eye on this. Particular was arrested.
Wait, so he got...
The warrant for Clav's arrest just leaked, and it turns out he wasn't arrested for the alligator incident. He was arrested for assault.
Yeah, so he wasn't arrested for the fucking alligator shit, guys. He already had a warrant out for his arrest for assault.
That's crazy.
He got banned. Not yet. He got banned on Kick. Yeah, he probably got banned on Kick for shooting the fucking alligator, and then yeah, he got banned on Kick for the gator, and then he probably got arrested for the assault shit. Clav's on crack. Okay.
Right now we broke structure. Yes, it also inverts the gap. 5 minute. After sweeping out the slow, but the thing. Okay, so this is something I was confused about as well, like because ES barely caught up and swept out a low that NQ already swept like days ago. So
Yeah, the indexes are different.
I think it was this low. So ES just swept this low out.
Yeah.
But NQ like been swept out this low with this candle.
So
that doesn't mean like SMC or anything because it's already been swept.
no.
Okay.
Yeah. Imagine the gun instructor seeing Clav mag dump on a gator. Oh my god! Imagine he sees the clips of Clav just unloading the clip on a fucking gator.
He's gonna lose his license. 'Cause that was the training he did.
So NASDAQ broke structure to the upside. ES is yet to do that. ES did inverse this gap here. What I would be looking for is once market opens, I would want to be looking for some sort of a retrace. So we
Manipulation.
broke structure to the upside here on NASDAQ. We also, we don't have any gaps here, but we broke structure to the upside. ES inverse gaps. So both of those are change in direction confluences for us. Next, I would want to be looking for a continuation of the new trend that we allegedly formed off of these sweeps of liquidity. So I would want to see like 1 minute breaks down into some sort of confluence, like a gap or equilibrium, and then from there I would want to see 1 minute breaks up. I would assume that this trade's going to come earlier in the day, and like I mentioned to you before this, I would be looking for that hourly high as a good draw. We're already creeping pretty close to it on NASDAQ. Let's hope that it doesn't get smacked before we get that retrace. If it does get hit, then we might have to reevaluate a little bit. but we'll get there when we get there. I think that overall we look pretty good to get today. We have good options. We have option for price to come down, target these highs, and then even extensions higher. I mean, you don't need that. You only need one TP, but and then we also have the opportunity for potentially if price comes up, takes out these highs, then we see breaks down. We could target lower. And then also, if we take these highs out first, we can still potentially see continuation. I would just want to see a little bit more confluences. So we gotta hope that we
Gotta
don't
wait.
smack the these hourly highs. I would keep an eye out. I would be looking at Nasdaq rather than ES because it's closer to these highs. Because we could make an SMT divergence. Nasdaq
downside.
could sweep these highs while ES stays underneath it. That could trigger us to go lower because we are in a high time frame downtrend.
Sí.
So that's what I would be
On
looking
the 1 minute, you'd be looking for a market opens in 30 seconds.
Yeah, so ideally, hopefully market opens and doesn't just run up and grab these highs. What I would want would be price to break down on the 1 minute, push into like a 5 minute gap.
Pero qué frío más hijo perra.
So boom, we have a 5 minute gap right here. So I would want price to come into a 5 minute gap, and then I would want to see a break back up.
Cantos de café, brother. Que
then
sin querer, como que
target
en el
this out.
café se me cayeron cantitos de café. Ya,
I
market
wouldn't
open.
jump into it within the first second of market open, but
No, en verdad.
you can do your
Yo voy a ser
thing.
patient.
I
No
wouldn't.
me voy a dejar llevar.
I mean, this is you. I don't want to. Also, something that you should think about is,
Oh, fuck.
before you do anything, let's just see like how.
Eso sí, mira, me falta
Yeah, so if you wanna target these
220 para
highs,
perder la
anything above-
cuenta.
Anything above
So,
here,
okay,
you're
yeah,
gonna wanna
guys.
do 2 contracts because even
Si
down
perdemos hoy,
here,
bro, o si ganamos,
like
it's good shit, to be honest.
640, so you're gonna want to do 2 contracts. Anything lower,
Chócate.
you might be able to get away with it. So if we break structure to the downside, which is what we would want, and then breaks back up, it just depends where price is at. Because you would be able to smack it with this, but if it's any higher, you're gonna need to do 2. Cool.
Yeah.
So it's 1 minute in the market open. ES is shitting the bed. Nasdaq
Fuck.
is staying up. What you could look for, and I think what would honestly probably be the ideal play. I think
No,
ES.
If yes,
we get
inverse
maybe
se
a
queda.
little SMT divergence. If ES comes down and sweeps out these lows right now, while Nasdaq stays well above them, that looks pretty freaking good. We have this 5 minute gap down here to be aware of. We also, I mean, just because we've sold off so much already, I personally don't really think that we
We want to grab
push
these
all the way
highs.
lower. It's possible. It's very, very.
Damn.
It's possible, but I don't really see that. I don't really see that happening. So what I would be doing, since ES already took out these lows, would be monitoring these lows. If Nasdaq takes them out, then okay, we might need to reevaluate. But if Nasdaq doesn't, and we stay above this and stay within this gap here, then we're looking pretty good. I would just want to see some sort of confirmation on ES that ES is going to move higher, along with Nasdaq staying above this. Because it's one thing for Nasdaq to just be floating above this, not really doing it, and whatever, just be lagging to the downside. But it's another thing to have our more bearish index giving us at least like some 1 minute confirmation that, hey, we're good to go.
Otra vez. Oh,
So-
fuck, man.
Yeah, we got that 1 minute break to the downside. Now we're playing with it within the 5 minute gap. I would want to see a change in order flow back to the upside.
Like if we were looking for logs,
Yeah,
on this gap.
for sure. I would also want to be looking at ES
Okay.
though. See what ES is telling me.
Si no, era así, como que en Market Open tocábamos estos highs. Parece que NQ quiere tocar.
Gotta keep an eye
Estos
out for that
lows.
Nasdaq low, because if we sweep it, then not that we fully have to reevaluate things, but something to consider.
Ooh, we sweeped it.
Show.
Okay.
Yeah, so Nasdaq grabbed those. We can see what Price wants to do now. Personally, I thought that Price would have wanted to sweep the hourly highs. We might have quite literally just wanted to get these 5-minute highs. These 5-minute highs could have been the only thing that it needed for
To go lower.
for us to go lower. Yeah, because Price is really bearish on
Both
we came up and
index.
grabbed these. What I would now be doing would be looking over to the left-hand side and saying, like, okay, where are the next draws on liquidity? How close are they to everything? And is it realistic for Price to go down there? So I would put these on
Lows.
ES.
On NQ. We got this one. Yeah, verdad. Damn, bro, chill out, G.
Yeah, these is like the only ones on Nasdaq. So
Coño, hasta que está súper cerca.
we're
Ustedes por lo
selling
menos
off super hard. We just
algún tipo de
we
retracement.
swept these highs and then we inversed these 5-minute gaps. So now, I mean, that's how
like-
quickly things can change. Now I'll be looking in the opposite direction. I'll be looking for a 1-minute break up, and then followed by a 1-minute break down. Find some sort of 5-minute confluence, but this shit's
Shit in the bed.
Oh.
So si
looking crazy.
toca estos lows, no
it's
free
hard
for
to
me.
want to short with something like this, but I personally wouldn't have wanted to short if market opened and we immediately got that dump. However, we traded up, swept out highs, filled orders, which means like, hey, we at least, I mean, we did make a big extension, but we at least can, I think that can give us the power to grab these lows, you know, and on ES, I think that can give us the power to grab these lows. So you gotta hope that we get some sort of a retrace.
Oh, there was into that gap right here.
That's not like a good retrace though.
Dos minutos. Que no te sirven los únicos draws. No creo que bajamos hasta acá. Like, ¿cuántos ticks? Bro, 200 puntos. Hell nah. Y aquí en ES. Vamos a dejarlo.
Yeah, so I would definitely want to see what that shit's hitting for.
Hacemos un break of structure to the upside. Inversing this gap. Me haría una confluencia ya. Ok. También NQ está más cerca de estos lows. Mientras ES está más lejos. Okay, we touch equilibrium. Okay, reevaluate.
Okay, cool. So we're in equilibrium. Something I would be careful of is
Yo creo que ES. Yo voy a tomar el trade en NQ. Si me da la entrada.
on,
Nah, bro.
yeah, so I would be on the 1 minute, and the thing that I would be like,
Tengo frío.
I mean, it's difficult because this is technically a 1 minute retrace. If the 5 minute can close up like this, then I think it looks good. I would personally just be looking at this gap. I tend to not like these types of retraces because
There's
it's
no
just
break
1
of
minute
structure.
extensions down. So like we're still maintaining bearish structure on the 1 minute, but personally I love when the 1 minute breaks structure to the upside into the 5 minute confluence, because that gives me like the utmost confidence for when it breaks back down, versus like we could go up into this and then make one down candle, but then we could break up to then make it that 5 minute retrace just to break back down.
So I'm like being patient, to be honest. Okay, Sierra Azul. Not bad.
So I would be looking at maybe some of like the bullish confluences that would be supporting that move up and wanting to see them get disrespected.
Oh, you got this high. Oh, si me da un break of
We
structure
closed
aquí.
bullish though on the 5 minute, which is great. I would also be conscious of the fact that now we have this 5 minute gap
¿Verdad?
that hasn't yet been tested. So
We
even
could
though we
inverse
retraced
it.
on the 1 minute, we formed this 5 minute. So I would just be looking at this gap. Like this is going to be kind of like the make or break. Are we going to go
Lower or
up?
higher?
Are we going to go up and get into the 5 minute gap? Same thing here on ES. We put in this 5 minute gap. Okay, so ES got in it, which is great.
And
That's
Q
probably
también.
all I would have wanted. And okay, cool. Nasdaq got in it. So sick. I would be looking for one of two things. I would be looking for price to rotate down, inverse this.
Or break structure to the
Or-
downside.
There's still potential for the upside. We could. Maybe we just wanted to whatever liquidity sweep and just fuck around. We could inverse this and then boom, we have
And target is highest.
to the upside.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, we would inverse this, and then I would want to see again some form of continuation. But right now, it's looking more bearish than bullish. We can also look and see if we break structure right here. It's looking real good.
Three. Antes se tomó el break aquí.
Monitor those lows. I would be. Yeah, so that's not a break.
Nope.
It's a lot. I would do one, to be honest.
Antes si me da el break aquí. Quiero un break of structure to the downside.
Yeah. That black line is a draw too.
Quiero un break. Un break of structure to the downside. Quiero ver. So un break. Let's go.
Alright, there you go.
Buy limit.
Let's run it. Let's see
First
what happens
TP.
here.
Y cuando tocamos este TP, break even. Y my last TP, this lows.
So for you, since ES didn't get any breaks up, definitely gonna want to see this gap get disrespected. For sure.
For Shosky.
For sure, see that gap get disrespected.
1 to 1.
And then
Would this be an angry TP?
let's check it. 156.
Me gustaría que ES
No.
no
700
respetar
if
este
you
gap.
put it like right underneath it.
Así todavía tenemos un minuto. Let's see. Todavía tenemos el potencial.
This would probably.
Mm. Let's see, let's see. Estamos buscando equilibrio in the 1 minute. We respected this gap. Me gustaría que ES aquí break structure to the downside.
Okay, let's see what happens here, man.
En verdad
So
me gusta
Nasdaq
el
is
trade,
in
me
line with
gusta.
everything. ES isn't right now, which is kind of spooky.
But it's okay.
This break was also pretty
Ooh.
weak,
Yeah.
but it doesn't mean
Like hacemos
you're
con
out
este
of
gap.
luck. It just means that you could be a little bit early to this.
Yeah.
So also entered. We got in like 9:45. You know, that's probably like 5 minutes of
Fuck.
some still time for price to fuck around. Not gonna lie.
I'm out, G.
Yeah, so that got you. I don't know
Oh.
why this isn't.
Ah, no, ya perdí la cuenta. Ya, no hay break.
Okay, so let's see something real quick. Son into this shit.
Let me sell this shit. Let me sell this shit. Let me sell this shit. What the fuck? Ya está.
Let's see something real quick.
Perdimos la cuenta, guys. Nah, but bro, it's good shit, to be honest.
So you're still green, which is fine. You still have a trading opportunity. You have around $2,000 worth of risk left. So you
Failed
lost
account. Damn.
$900 today. You need to make 1,700.
Nah, pero it's good shit, en verdad, está bien.
You have today
Ya la perdimos.
and then Monday to try and see what you want to do. It's still early in the market open.
Vamos a ver.
You can see.
Let's see what we do.
you wanna do. So
I feel like now it's clear, like we're not going to the downside.
Quiero ver.
For sure, somewhere.
yeah, we can see what Price wants to do off these gaps. I think that we got to move down. We fake respected this, and then we got this break up. So yeah, I think that's that's pretty in line with what I'm seeing too. Yeah, this hourly draw. I mean, this is your shit. What you could do is you could go on one account, try and
Vamos a ver, ya perdí la
put it
cuenta, eso
on,
sí.
and then if it doesn't go your way, then you have the other one. Yeah. Alright, there you go. So this one.
No, el que hacemos de este gap aquí. NES.
I would or I mean, nah, I'm not gonna try and influence you.
Vamos a ver qué hacemos. Damn, perdí la cuenta, pero it's good shit, to be honest. It's good shit.
You can tell me if you think I'm fucking up. You can tell me like how you think I'm reacting out here.
Vamos a esperar a ver qué el precio hace con este gap.
This is you. I want you to do your thing. No, it did. sell limit to be able to set your TP. Yeah, limit. Wait, no, not that. Let go. So this is gonna be your TP. Where do you want this to be set? I mean, really. Alright, so 189. Sheesh, why is this shit taking so long? And
Vamos a ver qué hacemos con este gap.
let's see something.
Estamos respetando el gap, ¿eh?
Yeah, so you'll get it with that. You're in dangerous territory right now, though. You gotta figure out where you want your stop to be, unless you want to just see the shit play out. Or you could.
Vamos a ver.
Okay. All right.
Vamos a ver qué hacemos de este gap.
Still in it though. I'm 5 minutes. Still in it on Nasdaq.
Down.
This one's smoked.
Anda pa' al, bro. Yo!
So I didn't like that at all.
Vamos a ver, boom. First TP, second TP.
Like we didn't get
Vamos a ver.
any sort of confirmation. Like this is still a 5-minute downtrend, and this is exactly what I told you price could have the opportunity to do when you entered these shorts right here, where it was like that's kind of what I was trying to tell you when we pulled out this equilibrium. I was like, we could break to the upside and then continue this 5-minute trend.
Aquí, boom.
So let's get the fuck out of this. So why are you guys asking me what I'm doing, bruh?
Tell me first TP, second TP.
Y'all are acting like I was the one that placed the trade. So on ES, we're still in this gap, respecting everything. Personally, this inverse right here would have been the kicker. There's, jeez, bro, why is this shit Yeah, so I mean, it's up to you with what you want to do. We haven't taken these lows on Nasdaq or on ES.
I think right now I'm too emotional.
Yeah, you're a little bit tilted.
First TP, okay.
What do you think? Like, what do you think? How do you think?
Stops a break even.
I thought that long was really emotional. I didn't want that one to get taken at all, but I didn't want to. Well, I mean, yeah, but I'm not supposed to be doing this for you. That one was like we didn't even, like, there wasn't, like, the least that you could have done was, like, wait for the gap to get filled and then respect it, you know? That was just, like, kind of, we were, I don't know what that, like, that was kind of just, like, buying off of, like, an already extended.
Bueno, como ya perdimos la
waiting
cuenta,
for this gap to get
hecho, lo
filled.
que yo voy a hacer es, me voy a comprar otra fondea. Pero la
But
Select,
It is what it is.
la paso, yo creo que la puedo pasar en como en 3 días o una semana. Y ya para la semana que, como en 2 o 3 semanas, ahí le saco payout. So que yeah, let's go. Pero damn, that's crazy. Overall, en verdad estuve bien. Yo diría que el problema es que, pues, no espero un break of structure to the upside. Porque cuando son inverse fair value gap to the upside en el de un
How you
minuto,
feeling? What do you
como
what
que,
do you, what do you want to do?
you know. Sí, sí, te va a tocar.
Personally,
Yeah. This shit gonna smacked.
The second trade, I know I should have to. Shorts were definitely way too big.
yeah. Because we didn't. It would have been
Yeah.
one thing if Nasdaq
Too
broke
easy, bro.
structure here, or if it inversed the gap. It didn't do either of those. Same thing here on ES. We didn't do either of those. So this exact situation was what I explained when we pulled out equilibrium. Was like, I don't like these 1 minute retraces because we can come down, pretend like we're going to respect it, break up, and then still go down. So that's
Aquí we
like,
break up,
that's
respected this
exactly
gap.
what happened today, which is fine.
Actually, we're gonna smack this
To
shit.
be honest,
bro.
I think we leave the charts alone.
Dale touch it, baby girl. Touch it, touch it, touch it. Dale, dale, dale. Eso sí, esto es una cuenta paper trading.
Yeah.
Es la semana que viene que voy a empezar. Damn, bro. Cabrón, viste. Eso me muerde.
'Cause,
Por lo menos los retrace.
yeah, I mean that was just an
Como que en el de un
emotional
minuto.
decision long up.
Hacia los.
The only thing that was bullish was the 1 minute. Didn't inverse this gap. Didn't break.
Hacia los fuck.
ES was only bullish on the 1 minute. So it's okay though.
Espérate. Hecho, en verdad que sí, bro. El punto era esperar. Esperar por lo menos en el de un minuto un break of
just a little
structure
review.
to
I
the
know you
upside.
probably don't want to hear it right now, but
Y then ahí pudo, como que
You
después de un
should.
inversor rally gap, ahí to the downside.
why was
Como
the
que hacia mi
why were
dirección.
the first shorts probably not the best?
Bueno, pues guys, ya saben la que hay. Perdí la cuentita hoy. Nada, pero bro, it's okay, bro. It's good shit, to be honest.
I mean, everything we
De verdad que sí.
So not just.
¿Verdad? No me
Nasdaq.
importa porque
Nasdaq was
tengo el
actually pretty
payout.
good 'cause
So
we
okay,
got the
bro.
structure
I'm
pretty
good.
But was ES in line with it?
Well,
Nah, we were maintaining 1 minute bullish structure. So that's why I marked out this gap. And when we were in it, I was like, you could have just been early because price could still potentially come down and break this and inverse this gap. But we had the opportunity for that first situation that I talked about to present itself, and that's exactly what happened. ES wasn't in line with NASDAQ. ES continued the uptrend, filled this 5 minute gap without changing any sort of order flow whatsoever. Filled this gap completely.
bro, no sé
Same
esto.
thing here on NASDAQ. And then the ideal trade would have been off this inverse. Even though it's a fat ass candle down, at least both of the indexes are in line. The 5 minute is still bearish. The 1 minute's now bearish. And
I got
both
you.
of them
Hacho, yo creo que, bro, yes.
Inverse structure.
Maybe toque estos
Inverse structure to
los...
the downside. We have strong draws down here. So this would have
Bro,
been
oh my
from
god.
here down to here, or from right here down to here. Both of those
No carga
would be
allí.
draws. Yes, honestly, probably would have been the better.
Ah, bueno,
inverse
maybe porque, pues,
structure
ajá, me quitaron la de
from
esto.
here down to here.
Maybe sí. Pero ya, guys. Hoy perdimos. Dame open journal. No, tampoco ya me deja, estúpido.
But you're good. We got Monday.
Bro, wow.
Or not.
A ver, Monday. Oh, fuck. Powell abrió. Powell
Powell speech
quiso
on
hablar.
Monday. Yikes.
So que martes se tradea. Miércoles se tradea. Jueves se tradea. Y viernes, bueno, obviamente si no hace como que un drastic move.
That shit's gonna be a doozy.
Acho, let me buy this shit, espérate. Let me buy this shit.
Hmm? You're chilling, bruh. It's okay. Remember, I already said we need to get that shit out of our head. The longs up here were really crazy. I can't hold you. But what's done is done. So
Ah,
that
thank
was,
you.
that was chasing for sure.
Bro!
But what's done is done.
Nah, but bro, yeah. I lost
You
$148.
still have the
Y perdí la
possibility to get a payout.
cuenta. Nah, but bro, it's
That
good
shit
shit, to be
isn't out the
honest.
window.
Pero bueno, dale, guys.
Just,
Peace. Nos vemos la semana que
Monday
viene.
to go your way.
La semana que viene estaremos tradeando con una nueva cuenta. Pasarla y get a payout, bro. So que en verdad being patient. And that's it, bro. Being patient. So que peace.